I am Monica from IELTS 9. Let's do one more reading with me. That name is synesthesia. Synesthesia. I don't know the meaning of this reading title. Okay. So every student can face this kind of situation in actual exam. Okay. Some topics we can't understand, of course. But still I would say don't read anything from the in these paragraphs. First, we will take the targets from the question statements and then we will, of course, we have to read it. But each and every word we are not going to read it. Whatever the targets, we will take it from the question statements that we are going to find, and there we need to understand a little bit more. Okay. So this is most repeated IELTS exam reading. At least twice it comes in IELTS exam every year. I am telling you. I remember, I think last year also I had solved this reading, and the last year also I had solved this reading. So this reading was reported for 16th May 2026 IELTS exam in India. So it means this reading can be part of your next IELTS exam anywhere in Canada, US, France, South Africa, UK, Japan, anywhere. So first we can see the types of question. Which paragraph contains the following information? Of course, second type of question I can see true, false, not given. Third is fill in the blanks. Yes, here now many students are really good to get the location of these fill in the blanks. If you can find the locations easily, please do this. Complete the summary question first. But a student like me, I can't solve like that. First, I will always try to solve my first type of question. So why I am saying always try to solve the reading passage with first type of question? When you will look at this question, which paragraph contains the following information? Or suppose you have list of heading kind of questions are there. So it's good thing for finding these 7 questions. We have to go through full reading passage, means all paragraphs. So of course when we will be going through, like suppose I am talking about a paragraph, whatever important thing is coming into your way while reading, of course you can highlight the things. In computer based IELTS exam, highlighting option is there, so you can highlight the things. So when you will reach at the second type of question, at the third type of question, definitely for finding location of the question statement would not be a problem. Got it? That's why I am always saying start with your first type of question. But yes, if you want to do fill in the blanks first, you can do it. And here also some problems will come in while solving this fill in the blanks first, because it is not necessary that you will get all the fill in the blanks in one paragraph. You may have to what is this? Oh my god. So I don't know what had happened. So you may have to scroll 2-3 paragraphs for finding these three fill in the blank. That's why always start with first type of question. So let's do which paragraph contains the following information. The reading passage has 7 paragraphs A to G. Of course, definitely reading instructions is really important. So first write the correct letter A to G. So paragraphs are A to G. In boxes 1 to 7 we have to write these alphabets. So how to do which paragraph contains the following information? It's important. First we will read all the statements. We will come out with 1 or 2 keywords, and of course we will understand the meaning of these things. Let's read it one by one. So some of the disadvantages relating to synesthesia. Now it's important to get the disadvantages. Now it is not necessary that you will get the same word. You may get some negative words relating to synesthesia. Maybe demerits, maybe effects, EFFECTS. So these negative words you will get it in any paragraph. What scientists think about synesthesia's real life usefulness. So scientists and real life usefulness, something will be explained in any paragraph. Third is a prediction for the future. So of course last paragraph or second last paragraph may be there for prediction for the future of synesthesia. An example of how grapheme color synesthesia works. So this word is important. This is keyword. And how this work means where procedure will be explained about this grapheme color synesthesia. A brief history of synesthesia. So brief history means historical things they will be talking about, how did it start and all, like in old historical times, the originality of this concept. Sixth is some of the various different types of synesthesia. Different types, okay, types of synesthesia they may be talking. Seventh, information about a study. Study means some research or experiment kind of thing that suggests synesthesia symptoms aren't arbitrary. Okay, now of course this word is also difficult. Now here you don't know the meaning of this arbitrary word. So in actual exam you will not get any google.com. How will you get the answer? Of course this we can get it. Of course many students, 50, 60, 70% students may not be knowing the meaning of this word. Okay, so I have done I have taken it as a keyword. Now let's read and solve with me. Please solve reading text with me. You will get benefit from that. Okay, so first read the paragraph and try to find the answer. Try to match anything if you can. Okay, and you can get PDFs of all IELTS exams I have, like not all, like last 3-4 years IELTS exam I have. You can get it and you can text me on WhatsApp. So one number paragraph, A number paragraph. Imagine a page with a square box in the middle. The box is lined with rows of number 5 repeated over and over. All of the 5s are identical in size, font and color, and equally distributed across the box. Of course you have to read, you have to increase the speed of reading. While reading little bit, try to understand what they are saying. There is however a trick. So something they are telling about some game and all. There is a trick. Among those 5s, hiding in plain sight is a single capital letter S, almost the same in shape. It is impossible to spot without straining your eyes for a good few minutes, unless that is a. So grapheme color synesthesia. So fourth number it is given. A person who sees each letter and number in different colors. I think they are talking about how this system, this grapheme color synesthesia works. So here they have announced this one, and a person who sees each letter and number in different colors, with all these 5 painted in one color and rough S painted in another. So I will select fourth number with A, because they are talking about how this works, and throughout the paragraph they are talking about procedure of playing this game. So this is A number. Let's move to B number paragraph. So of course you can subscribe my channel and like my channel and hype my video also. Thank you so much in advance. Okay, thank you. Okay, B number paragraph. Synesthesia, loosely translated as senses coming together from the Greek word syn and aesthesis, is an interesting neurological. So they are talking, the writer is talking about how this word originality came from the Greek word. That causes different senses to a different word is matching. But yes, of course, on the basis of one word we can't decide the answer. This might mean that words have a particular taste. For example, the door might taste like bacon, or that certain smells produces particular color. It might also mean that each letter and number has its own personality. Letter A might be perky, the letter B might be shy, self-conscious, etc. Some synesthetists might even experience other people's sensation. Okay, some synesthesia. Okay, now they are talking about some like Some synesthetes might even experience other people's sensations. So, for example, feeling pain in their chest when they witness a film character get shot. The possibilities are endless, even though synesthesia is believed to affect 5% of general population. At least 60 different combination of senses have been reported so far. What all sensory associations have in common is that they are all involuntary and impossible to repress, and they usually remain quite stable over time. So according to my opinion, they are talking about different type of synesthesia, some of various different types of synesthesia. So here they are talking about some persons, some synesthesia might even experience, and other the possibilities are endless, even though synesthesia is believed to affect less than 5 of the. So I think they are talking about this different type of synesthesia. Sixth will come with B number. Let's move to C number. Of course I am taking time because I am explaining you. So if I have to do on my own without speaking, definitely we can easily solve these kinds of reading passages within 20 or 18 minutes. This is not reading passage number 1. This is 2. So C paragraph, synesthesia was first documented in the early 19th century. It means they are talking about history. So we will not read too much. By century, by general physician George, who dedicated 2 pages of his dissertation on his own experience with the condition. It was okay. So without reading a brief history of synesthesia, we will take it for C number paragraph. Okay. Now coming to D number paragraph, what makes synesthesia a particularly interesting condition is that isn't all an illness at all. If anything, synesthesia often report feeling sorry for the rest of the population, as they don't have the opportunity to experience the world in a multisensory fashion like they do. Very few drawbacks have been described, usually minimal. For instance, some words might have an unpleasant taste. Okay, while some synesthesia find it distressing, all words are denoting to negative words, disadvantages relating to synesthesia. So they have started, writer have started, very few drawbacks have been described. It means writer is going to talk about some disadvantages. So without reading too much, I mean to say, we have found the answer for first all. So now coming to next paragraph. Now coming to E number paragraph, let's read it. So how many we have left? Third, so this is second, third and seventh. Okay. Another fascinating side of synesthesia is the way it could potentially benefit future generations. Okay, future generation they were talking. Yes, third number they were talking. Okay. Is the side of synesthesia is a way. Okay, in a study word is also there. So in 7th number, study word is also there. Information about a study that suggests synesthesia symptoms aren't arbitrary. Okay, so let's so here first sentence they are talking about could potentially benefit future generation, but here a prediction for the future of synesthesia. It means third and seventh we have to decide what will come, third or seventh. So we were talking in a 2013 study, Dr. Vidoff and Winauer discovered that graphic color synesthesia who had never met each other before experienced striking similar pairing between grapheme color pairing, which were later traced back to a popular set of Fisher Price magnets. 10 out of participants distinctly remembered. So here they have started talking about the lab experience and like study. They have given about information about a study that suggest. So have you seen that without knowing the meaning of this hard word, we have decided that this would be the answer. They have talked about the study, information about the study. So here E we will select. Okay, now coming to F number. As it turns out, the benefits of teaching synesthesia would be tremendous. According to research conducted by this teaching people to create grapheme color associations the same way as synesthesia may have the possibility to improve cognitive function and memory. As she put it, one possibility is guarding against cognitive decline. Cognitive means intelligence, brain kind of thing is there. Okay. Yes. So here they have talked about teaching synesthesia. Benefits of teaching synesthesia would be tremendous according to this research conducted by this person. People to create associations over the same way to improve. As she put it, one possibility is guarding against cognitive decline in older people using synesthesia in the creation of mnemonics to remember things such as shopping list. So if you ask me, so daily useful things, real life usefulness. So here they mean that remember things such as shopping list. So we can combine, we can just correlate the things. Direct word you will not get in these kinds of questions. Definitely you should try to understand. If you open your mind while doing reading passages, definitely you will get correct answers. So third will come with F number. Now coming to next question. Oh, but one question is left. This third one is left. Okay, now we have left only one paragraph. Only one paragraph, that is G number. Of course, without reading you can put it G number with this. But yes, we can read it. For your information, there is obviously still a long way to go before we can fully understand how synesthesia and what causes it. Once we do, however, it might not be too long before we find out how to teach non-synesthesia, how to imitate its symptoms in a way that induces the same benefits of the world's population currently enjoy. Prediction for the future of synesthesia. Obviously, yes, they are talking about obviously still a long way to go before fully understand this. Okay, so once we do, means once we will understand this, however, it might not be too long. So of course they are talking about prediction for the future of synesthesia. Next questions in next video.